Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and we are at Hobby Lobby. We are looking at their Christmas display. It's already out. Enjoy it. So here we go. Hobby Lobby Christmas 2021. What do they have to offer? First, I found this smaller display with just some items that can help you create. If you want to do it yourself projects, they have plenty of that. But then it wasn't long until I found the actual holiday decorations, and here we go. They have some nice ones this year. Now these are just stuff you might hang on the door or on a wall, but they were very, very pretty. They also have ribbons. Everybody likes to put ribbons up. And look at all the shelves. They must have had 6 and 8 aisles full of just Christmas stuff. Here are some puzzles, some nice Christmas puzzles. I'm gonna have to get one this year. And wreaths. Now they haven't put all the wreaths out yet, but they have started and there's quite a few. And there is also the typical decorations with the aluminum cans and some ornaments and some nativity stuff. There is some artificial snow and some pine cones. A lot more stuff that you can use to create your own ornaments, wreaths, whatever it is you want for your house and to decorate it. Really nice. Here is some artificial garland. It almost looks real. These were high up the shelves, so I couldn't get a good look at them, but they looked like they lit up and were something very special. And I loved these candy canes. I just wanted to lick one. That is one cupcake I could take a bite into. I could almost taste it. Now you can see some of the shelves were empty, so they still have more stuff coming, but they have a lot out. Signs and bells and these great lickable lollipops. They have ornaments in every color. Blue, white, silver. Plenty of Jingle Bells. There are a lot of interesting items, and there's even a few that I don't really know what they are. Like this one I'm gonna pick up next. Interesting. No idea what it is, but hey, it's there for Christmas. And look at those two birds. Want Christmas balls? Look at these. What color would you like? They have everything you can imagine. Those were just amazing to me. I wouldn't be able to pick one out of just those. Are you in the Christmas mood? Are you ready for Christmas? Christmas trees are out, and some are frosted, some are just green. They have all kinds of sizes, all kinds of prices. Now, I didn't see if they were 40% off like many of the items are, so you'll have to go and take a look. Maybe later on you can find a circular and they'll tell you more. It's really cuteness overload at Hobby Lobby. And here's some gold. And look at, is that a ruby slipper? Or is that Cinderella's? Very cute. And only $4.99. I'm just going to let you look at all these ornaments that are hanging. There is a large amount. You will definitely find something that you like.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul.
These cute dogs are wooden, and they were only $2.99 each. I love to have dogs on my Christmas tree. I love dogs in general.
Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black.
I see donuts. Yes, and I love chocolate sprinkled donuts. I think I should have a tree with just food on them. I don't know, I think I might gain another 15 or 20 pounds in the holidays just looking at my tree. I never realized there were this many colors on Garland. I always thought there was just silver and gold. But look at them all. How could you choose? Very nice. What a great variety. I'm very impressed with what Hobby Lobby has for sale for Christmas for 2021. I hope you saw some things that you liked for Christmas. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is Rockin' Robin. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and watch all our videos.